numerical number 8 of the problem set of the chapter error analysis. According to the numerical expression of physical quantity P is given E cube B square root over CD, and what is given, the percentage error in the measurement of A, B, C, D are given, which is 1%, 3%, 4% and 2%. 4% and 2%. 1%, 3%, 4% and 2%. And what we have to find, percentage error in the measurement of the physical quantity P. That is, we have to find. Now, what is the expression of the physical quantity P? It can be, it is given, which is A cube B square divided by root over CD, which can be written as A cube B square C to the power minus half D to the power minus half. That is the expression of pressure, physical quantity P. This is not pressure. Therefore, what is the expression of percentage error in the measurement of P? Delta P by P into 100 is equal to 3 delta A by A into 100 plus 2 delta B by B into 100 plus half delta C by C into 100 plus half delta D by D into 100. That means the power of A is 3. That's why 3 comes in front of the percentage error in the measurement of A. The power of B is 2. That's why we have to write this one. 2 delta B by B into 100. Though the power of C is minus half and power of D is minus half, but here we have to consider the positive value of this power, because we have to find percentage error. If you have to find increase or decrease, in that case we have to write minus half delta C by C into 100 or minus half delta D by D into 100. But here we have to consider only the magnitude of the power. Now put the value. 3 delta A by A into 100 is given, which is 1. Plus 2 delta B by B, 2 into 3, plus half delta C by C is 4, and delta D by D is 2, means half into 2. So that means 3 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1 means 12%. So percentage error in the measurement of delta P by P is 12%. That is the answer. This is the answer. Delta P by P into 100 is the answer, or percentage error in the measurement of P. Percentage error in the measurement of P. So which is 12%. Now the value of P, absolute true value of P is also given. This is one of the answer. Here we can write answer, and second part is what the true value of P is given. If we erase this part, second part, true value of P is given of the quantity P. True value of P is given, which is 3.763. So we have to find delta P equal question mark. We know that delta P by P into 100 is equal to 12%. Already it is derived 12%, or delta P is equal to 12 by 100 into P. So 12 by 100, P, the value of P is 3.763, and if we find this value, it will be 0.45156. 0.45156. This is the absolute error in the measurement of P. which can be round off. Another answer, this is the absolute error. In the measurement of the physical quantity P. And which can be round off, most probably. What is written? Which can be rounded off. Which can be rounded off. Second part of this numerical. Now, next numerical number 8. Numerical number 8. What is given according to numerical number 8? The value of force is given, true value of force, and absolute error in the measurement of force is also given, and area is given, true value of area, absolute area. So area force is 2500 Newton, error in the absolute error in the measurement of force is 5 Newton, and area is given 0.32 meter square, and absolute error in the measurement of area is given 0.02 meter square. We have to find the pressure along with the absolute error in the measurement of pressure. The expression of pressure acting on the area is what? Force acting normally per unit area. So therefore P is equal to F dot A to the power minus 1. Therefore if we so it can be cancelled. Force is 2500, area is 0.32. So what will be the true value of pressure? So if we find the value of pressure, that is 7812.5. 7812.5 Newton per meter square or Pascal. This is true value of pressure. True value of pressure. Now we have to find delta P. So pressure can be written again F dot A to the power minus 1 from this expression. So therefore delta P by P will be what? Delta F by F plus delta A by A. Power of F is 1, that's why 1 into delta A by F. The power of A is minus 1, but here we have to consider positive value of the power. So this is what relative error. Delta F is given 5 divided by 2500. Delta A is 0.02 divided by 0.32. So delta P by P will be 0.0645. 0.0645. 0.0645. Therefore, this is the value of delta P by P. Hence, delta P is equal to 0.0645 into pressure. 0.0645. Pressure is given 7812.5. So that will be the absolute error in the measurement of pressure. And if we put the value, that will be 503.9. 503.9 Newton per meter square. That is the absolute error in the measurement of pressure. This is the absolute error in the measurement of pressure. Absolute error. In the measurement of pressure. Hence, what is the question? We have to find the value of delta P by P. The value of pressure exerted. Hence, this is answer. And final answer will be what if E is. Therefore, the value of pressure exerted on the area, on the surface of the area is P plus minus delta P will be what? P pressure is 7812.5 plus minus delta P is 500